All right, this is going to be a Chroma key green screen lesson. This is lesson number 3. I've created a new composition, a new project. I've gone into composition. Let's go into composition settings. If I go to composition settings, NTSC DV widescreen is what we want to do. I have a minute 30 set. I don't need it that long, but I can change that when I get my footage in there. Most important thing, just don't forget to set that. When you make your new project, your green screen effect today, make sure that you have NTSC DV widescreen. All right, we're going to bring in file number 249 in here. We're going to import it. Import file 249. We're going to open that. When we film your green screen shots in the studio, we will put them into a folder much like what you grabbed this one out of, and then you will drag and drop it onto your desktop. You don't want to composite with the file as it's sitting in that homework share drive. It's going to go super slow. Okay, and then I'm going to bring in that Harry Potter background. Let's see, where is it? You know what? I'm just going to bring this one in. Then you can see it a little bit better. All right, so I've got a mixed rainbow color here. Question in the back. No question in the back. All right, we're going to bring this Chroma key screen down. We've got Quinn. I'm going to drag this to 50%. I'm going to open up the drop down, open up transform. I'm going to scale this back. I'm going to keep it a little bit wider so that you can see this little yellow. This is a light that's in the back. We're going to show you how to get rid of that. And then I'm going to bring down this mixed color underneath it. So you're going to be able to see both of those things happening in the background. All right? So we're going to key out the green. These are going to be the steps to keying out the green. So I'm recording this. You can always refer back to the screencast here and just pay attention. You'll understand it. This is a Harry Potter scene. Quinn was just making himself disappear on the screen. And we're going to go up, we're going to select the green screen layer or the chroma key layer, and we're going to go up to Effect, and we're going to select Keying, and we're going to select Keylight 1.2. Keylight 1.2 is going to load a filter right here, and we are going to select the screen color, which is going to be chroma key green. So we're going to grab this little eyedropper right here, and we're going to click on the green right there. Oh, wow. Okay, so we get rid of the green. I'm going to shut the eye off on this so you can kind of see what's going on. Right now, the green screen changes to a black screen. So what we're going to do is we're going to kind of clean this up. You can kind of see that there's some dust and speckles, and it doesn't look very good. Okay, but we did get rid of the green. That was the number one priority here. Right here, this little gray part, that's the floor. So we're actually going to crop that out, and then there's a light kit right there. We're going to crop that out as well. So we're going to go to Screen Matte. Where did you see this kind of image before? Anybody remember? What was that? Remember when we watched that movie on Friday? Didn't you see something similar to this? Yeah, exact same thing. All right, so we're going to, if you open up Screen Matte right here, we have two things that we need to adjust, clip black and clip white. So clip black right now is at 0. If I hover my arrow over the top of that and I click down, I can drag over to the right. And what I want to do is I want to make all the blacks as black as I can get it without going too far. And then I want to make the whites white. So 12. Let's go a little bit higher. So right now, all those little dust speckles and everything, those are gone. Now I want to make the person, I want to make that white. Right now, clip white is at 100%. We're going to drag this down a little bit. 96. 86. That looks pretty good, actually. So I'm going to go back up to Screen Matte under View. I'm going to turn on Final Result. So here's Quinn right here. we're also going to, let's see, we're going to mask this light kit out. We're going to mask this floor out. So to do that, we're going to go up to Layer, Mask, New Mask. The mask comes up. We're going to add a couple little spots in here. These are new little markers. Add a marker right here, right here. We're going to crop out the floor. And then we're also going to crop out this little light kit right here. Marker, marker, marker. So I can go like that. And now if I click off of that, the floor is now gone, and that little light is gone, just by using that little mask. Now let me apply that background here. I'm going to turn on the eye right there. So I've got my background here. Open up my drop down, transform. I'm going to scale that up a little bit. I can also change the position of Quinn. Let me go get my arrow again. I can put him over here. I can put him up wherever I want to put him. He didn't do a very good job of getting the color correct here. So what we could do is we could go back in and we could clip some of the black again. See if we can get him to completely disappear. There we go. That looks a little bit better. So we're trying to get him to disappear like that. That was kind of the goal. But if you, let me take for example, if we get too much on clip black, here's what happens. It will invert the image. We don't want that to invert. So.